Welcome back to Coast with Joanne. Today we are on our way to Ometepe Island. We first have to drive to Rivas, San Jorge, then get on a ferry and go over to the island. Ometepe Island is made from two volcanoes situated in Lake Nicaragua. So here we go. This is a papaya. I have harvested many papayas from my garden already, and this is the first one of this season. Some of the papaya trees, they grow and they do not produce any fruit. Here they call them papaya montaña when they don't produce any fruit. What one of the telltale signs is if they have flowers like this, they are probably going to produce fruit, but not always. Sometimes they just tease you. After they have opened, the flowers then close and eventually they turn into the fruit. They start off really green like this and then they get lighter and lighter. As time goes on, the fruit gets lighter and lighter until it's eventually yellow and then a bright orange color. The trick is to leave it on the plant for as long as possible, but pick it before the birds get to it. With this particular papaya, as you can see, I left it on there for one day too long and the birds got to it before I picked it. But I was able to cut off that portion and I was able to enjoy the rest of the fruit. Well, we don't want the fun to stop just because it's rainy season. So I've taken some shade cloth and I've wrapped it around the court to try to keep the rain off the court so we can continue to have fun all through the rainy season. Let's see how it goes. This week, I am heading straight over there. That is the island of Ometepe. We have volcano Concepción on the left-hand side and Madeiras volcano on the right-hand side. It is going to be fun. For the first part of this journey, I will be walking into town and then taking a shared cab to Rivas. It costs 100 Cordobas, which is a little over $3 American. So that is the first leg. And in San Jorge, I will be jumping on a ferry.
Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza.
The ferry ride is only 45 minutes long and it takes both passengers and vehicles. It takes a while to load up the ferry, but when we are on our way, it's just a straight shot across Lake Nicaragua.
Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el
right over there is Concepcion. I am hoping to hike it today. You can't see it very well because it is covered in clouds, but hopefully, with a little bit of luck, it will lift so I can make it to the top and I can take some nice photographs while I'm up there.
Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza. Mueve la cintura y los hombros y mueve tu cabeza. Sonríe todo el día y recuerda del amor y de belleza.
And this is my guide for today. So we are going to take off on this motorcycle. We're going to go to the trailhead and climb that volcano. Thank goodness he has a helmet for me. So wish me luck. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you here next week.